YouTube is an amazing platform for giving you access to a global audience, but how do you make sure that they can understand your video title and descriptions? I recently discovered that Tubebuddy has an amazing inbuilt tool that allows you to add translated titles and descriptions with just a couple of clicks. Stick around to the end because I've got details of a very special Tubebuddy offer that's currently underway. So log into your YouTube account, come to your YouTube dashboard and make sure you've got the Tubebuddy extension installed. You'll know it's installed because you'll have this little TB at the top. This works with any video you've got, as long as you've got the Tubebuddy extension and the correct license. Head over to the video details, head over to subtitles, and you can see straight away we've got some really useful information. This is information provided by Tubebuddy, and it tells me the top 10 languages spoken by my channel's audience. Now I only currently have the English titles and description, so I'm going to press add language. I'm going to select German. You can just start typing the language you want. And then under the title and description, you can see we've now got this new row, this button, add. Just click that. On the left is my existing title and description, and all I have to do is press this Tubebuddy translate, and it will go away, translate it. You see that took just a second, and there we go. There's the translation. Hit publish. If you're new to Tubebuddy or using the free license, now's a great time to upgrade. For the next few days, they've got a Labor Day weekend sale. I'll put a link to this. It's an affiliate link in the description below. And you can see you get a really decent discount off all of the plans. And once you've upgraded or signed up as a new customer, you won't have to worry about being restricted because it's a sale. It is the Pro plan at this price, the Star plan at this price, which I think is a really great offer. I find Tubebuddy brilliant, and I really love the translation feature and the A/B split testing, and maybe I'll do a video on that to demonstrate how you can quickly split test your thumbnails. As I say, an affiliate link is in the description below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on my next video.